By the end of this video, you will know how to remove uploaded tax documents in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account. Once you are logged in, open the tax return where the document was uploaded. If you have more than one return in your account, make sure you are in the correct one before you continue, since uploaded files are tied to that return. After the return opens, look to the left-hand menu. In that menu, click Documents. This takes you to the area where TurboTax stores files you have uploaded for that return. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then stay on the Documents tab so you are looking at the full list of uploaded items. Next, find the tax document you want to remove. Scan the list carefully and confirm that you are selecting the right file before making any changes. This matters because the delete action permanently removes the uploaded document from your TurboTax account, and you will want to avoid deleting the wrong file by mistake. When you have located the document, move to the right of that file entry and click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens a small options menu for that specific document. If you do not see the menu right away, look along the same row as the file name, since the menu is attached to the individual document you selected. From that menu, click Delete. This tells TurboTax that you want to remove that uploaded file from the documents list. After you select Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. Read the prompt, then confirm that you want to permanently remove the uploaded document from your account. Once you confirm, TurboTax will process the request and remove the file from the uploaded documents list. If the page refreshes or updates, check the list again to verify that the document no longer appears. That confirms the deletion has gone through for the file you selected. If you uploaded the wrong tax document, or if you no longer need a file stored there, this is the path you will use each time inside the Documents section. The key part is making sure you are in the correct return, selecting the correct file, and confirming the deletion when TurboTax asks. The file is not removed until you approve that final confirmation prompt, so do not close the window until that step is complete. Your uploaded tax document has now been permanently removed from your TurboTax documents list.